Alright, welcome back everyone. So I just kind of got my suspension mocked up with some trial and error, and I was about to make a custom bracket to be able to put these adjustable links in a more user-friendly fashion, but I think using what's already available, I got what I want. And it isn't just visually. Right now it's not exactly tuned just yet, and I've only done one side, just kind of using my sense of sight. So my goal is to have this is fully extended, the suspension right now, ideally. Then as it compresses, the wheel actually goes up into a negative camber, which is what it's doing right here. Maybe hard to tell that, but it's going into a negative camber. And the way to achieve that is to actually, your pivot point and your pivot point, well, let me get something smaller. This pivot point has to be lower than what you see over here. It has to be lower than this pivot point here. Right, that's how that's done. Now that's not ideal for racing or anything, or even your family sedan driving back and forth to work. That's not ideal. So here is a little different scenario. This is probably more standard, but this is a long arm, short arm, but fucking, it's obviously too much for that. Let's just go ahead and pull it out all the way. So this is a long arm, short arm underneath, and this goes into positive camber, which is definitely undesirable. Right, this will really make the car unstable. Right, so that's the exact opposite. So if these two were flipped upside down, this would give a more desired effect of negative camber under compression. So just to kind of give you guys an idea of what suspension is actually doing and what you want. And my purpose of doing this is so that way it can clear the body once the body's mounted back up on here. So just to give you guys ideas if you should decide to pursue something.